everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got another CRAFTYFOX251 haul for you. I've got so many bits here I'm really excited to show you. She has been putting loads of new stuff on her website. I think she said that she has got over 300 items on there now. If you don't know who CRAFTYFOX is, she is a lovely lady called April who has an Etsy store. It's called CRAFTYFOX251. She sells a range of nail art stuff, arts and crafts, jewellery, a bit of all sorts on her shop, all at really affordable prices, fantastic selection, and all round I can't recommend her store enough. So today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of her products. I'm really excited. There's some really beautiful bits here that I absolutely love. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. I hope you all enjoy, and other than that, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by showing you all the nail art goodies. So here I've got 3 different bags of glitter. We have got this one called Bling, which I'm absolutely in love with. It is a multi-mix, so you've got like large hexes, small hexes, and then fine glitter in there in this gorgeous, gorgeous neon yellow. See how bright and gorgeous that is. Absolutely perfect for the summer, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Then we've got this one called Mauve Mania, which is this gorgeous like iridescent purple fine glitter. Really, really, really pretty again. Absolutely love that. And then we've got this one here called Red Admiral. It's obviously mainly red, but it's got a whole bunch of different colours in there, and also some yellow fine glitter. It's really, really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. I have actually swatched all the glitters that I have from CRAFTYFOX. So these are the 3 that I have just shown you. They're really nice. I think that Bling one's one of my favourites. It's so pretty. But then I have just swatched all of the glitters that I have from her. As you can see, great little variety, loads of different colours, different cuts. They're all really pretty and so affordable. Like, look at that one. So nice. I love them all. You just got some like basic fines, and then you got some really gorgeous multi-mixes. That one's in backwards, but they're really nice. You should check them out if you haven't already. She's got a great little selection. Like, this isn't even all of them. She's got quite a lot of glitter to pick from, so definitely go and check them out. Then we have got these gorgeous flowers. I've had some of these before from Charlie, but I don't think she has this variety of colours. They're really nice. Sort of to give you guys a bit of an idea of how big they are, I did sort of do a little swatch of one and use some of the spider gel that I also got from April. But they're really good. I really like the red ones, obviously. I love the variety of colours, and they're just a really good size. They sit really beautifully on a nail, and I just love them. They're so cute. Then we have got a bag of pink maple leaves. I know obviously we're quite away from autumn yet, but I don't have any pink ones, and I thought they're a really nice colour. Obviously they're pink holographic, so sort of shift purple. I really like them. I think they're really cute, and yeah, just something a bit different, because I've got kind of like the standard colour maple leaves, but I don't have any pink ones, and I saw them, just had to have them. I'm probably realistically not going to use them for a while, but I wanted to get some while she's still got some. I just think they're really pretty. Then we've got these squares. They're like gold metallic squares. Again, they're pretty good size. They're like not too big, not too small. They're 4mm squares. I should have read that, but they're really gorgeous. I love the colour of them, and yeah, they could create some really funky nails with those. I really like them. Next we have got these dots. These are 3mm dots. They're like a transparent iridescent. Super pretty again. Really, really, really cool. I love them. She whacked in some extra little nail vinyl stickers for me, which are really cute. I haven't used these in the longest time, and they always mesmerise me with the hollow. But look, so pretty. Okay, and then next we've got these half pearls. They've kind of like encaged in like this gold metal thing. They're really nice, and these look hella smart on a set of nails. I absolutely love the red ones. But yeah, these are really easy to work with on a set of nails, and they do look absolutely gorgeous. Really, really, really pretty, so I love those. Next we have got some spider gel. I think she might have only had 2 of each for sale, but they're super cute, and like I showed you, I've done sort of a little test of them. I really wanted the gold because I didn't have gold, but it's cute. It was a bit of a different consistency to my You Are Sugar one. It was a bit thicker, but it's fun stuff to play with, and I feel like it's pretty beginner friendly as well, so yeah, I'm really happy with those. Next we have got these charms. I'm absolutely in love with these. They are so pretty. I think I'm going to be saving these especially for my own nails. Look, we've got like two little money trees, and then also 2 little snakes. I've got little crystals on them. They're made of gold metal. They are just so pretty. They are absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, I think I will save these for my own nails because they're just too nice. I absolutely love them. I don't think my camera's doing them justice, but they are so sparkly. I absolutely love them. Then we've got these, which again, I don't think my camera's going to really show them up very well, but they're little silver metal hearts. They've got a cute little like pattern sort of engraved around the edge of the heart, and then they say baby on the middle. They're cute. They'd be really cute for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then she has also sent me some nail foils, which stick into my gloves. So let's see. I've not even looked at these myself yet, but straight away I'll tell you something different there. I don't have nothing like that. That's really cool. Wow, look at that. That's really cute. It's so bright. Again, really good for summer. Ooh, I love that. Look at that. Tie-dye. Sort of like a marbly kind of tie-dye pastel thing going on there. We've got some leopard print with roses and butterflies. These are really pretty. I don't have none of these either. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at that one. They are so nice. So different as well. And we've got pink flowers. Loads in here. Yeah, they're really gorgeous. They are. They're great for spring and for summer. And I don't have a single one of those as well, so I'm really happy with them. Thank you, April. She has also put in a whole bunch of really cute little stickers. And little doggies and kitty cats. And they're so cute. Little thank you stickers as well. Which is really sweet. The way she packages everything up, I really love it. She has also sent me a couple of really cute little key rings. Look at this one. Doesn't it look so good? I love the gold chain and little tassels she's put on it, and then she started doing little resin bits as well. Like, her resin bits are incredible. I've got a couple of bits here to show you. I think you guys are going to be amazed because they're so beautiful. Here's a little kitty cat key ring. My camera seems to be being really stubborn about focusing today, but look at that. So we've got like a red unicorn on a gold key ring with like an orangey red tassel. But hasn't she done such a fantastic job with these resin pieces? See the cute little butterflies in there. She's done an amazing job with these. I really like them. And then these are adorable. We have got little paw print earrings. Again, made out of resin. I think she used the same resin that she used for that cat one. Aren't they adorable? I think she's doing amazing with these resin products. I've got 2 more bits to show you as well, but I'm going to leave them till last because they are just amazing, and save the best till last, all that lot. So I'm going to leave them till last. I'm going to show you some of her other products, and they're just adorable. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, and then look at these. I am absolutely, truly and utterly obsessed with these. I knew as soon as I saw them that I had to have them. And I ordered myself the red ones. These are like £1.50 a pair. I ordered myself the red ones, and then they arrived and I was like, I need more. So I went on and I've grabbed a couple more of the colours. I don't think it's all the colours. I think she might have pink ones and green ones too, and maybe orange. I feel like one of them is out of stock, but look at them. Aren't they just adorable? They literally look good enough to eat. They are just the cutest little thing. I will wear these all the time because I just think they're adorable, and they're so affordable as well. But look at them. They are probably my new favourite earrings ever. I absolutely love them. They are just the cutest. Yeah, I'm so excited. And yeah, different colours to match with different outfits and all that lot. So, you know, I've got all those ones to match with those particular colours. And if I'm not wearing those particular colours, I've got black ones. So I'm sorted. I love them. They're so sweet. They are one of my favourite things ever. And yeah, they're perfect. I absolutely adore them. And then look at these. They are just so cute. the little Haribo sweet earrings. I really wanted the blue traditional Star Mix ones, but unfortunately they're out of stock, which is hopefully going to bring them back into stock at some point, so I really need a pair of those in my life. But I went with these ones instead. You guys know that red is my favourite colour, and look, they're just adorable. They're just so different, so unique. Like I'm one for funky stuff anyway. Like I love bright, colourful, funky jewellery, and yeah, I'm just one for these sort of things. I saw these and fell in love with them. They are just so cute. And yeah, hopefully at some point I can get the Star Mix ones too. Yeah, they're too cute. I'm absolutely loving all these new earrings she's got. And then look at these. They are little miniature bottles. I don't know what, well, that one says Merlot. I don't really drink much. I occasionally have a drink like in social sort of circumstances, but I'm not really much of a drinker. So when it comes to alcohol, I'm not very clued up. But I thought these were so cute anyway. I love the colour. I feel like she had 4 or maybe 6 different colours of these. They're so cute though. I absolutely love them. They're just, again, so unique and different. And I love stuff that's unique and different. They're so fun. And yeah, I can't wait to wear all these earrings. Literally, I'm just going to be wearing them all the time. I know I will. They are just so funky and so different. Okay, then moving on to the last 2 things. I'm saving the best till last. Look at this. Isn't that incredible? Like I said to you, she's doing an amazing job with the resin, and she truly is. Look how beautiful that is. So it's dream catcher, so eventually I'm gonna add my own little beads and crystals and stuff onto it, I think, and then have it up on my wall. Isn't it amazing though? I think it's perfect. I literally absolutely adore it. She's done such an amazing job with it. You can't see no air bubbles. It's just incredible. I think she's done amazing with that, and I can't wait to do something with it. So thank you, April. Okay, and then you guys might have seen this on her Instagram, and I couldn't believe it when she said she's going to send this to me. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. This is going to be taking pride of place in my office, up on the wall. And yeah, I can't believe she sent it to me. You guys ready? Ta-da! Look how incredible this is. It won't fit all in frame. But look at that. Just look at it. Isn't that absolutely amazing? I can't get over it. I can't stop looking at it. I love the sparkle. It's incredible. Everything about it is just beautiful. I think that's going to look incredible up on the wall. Yeah, I can't get over it. It's just so sparkly. So yeah, so turn it that way. I feel like I could sit there looking at that sparkle all day, every day. Like, thank you so much, April, for sending me this. Thank you for sending me everything. She spoils me rotten. She's such a sweet lady. We talk most days, and she's just so sweet. She's an absolute angel, and I think she's absolutely smashing it. Like, she is doing amazing with these resin pieces, and she just deserves all the love and support that the world has to offer her, because she's just such a beautiful person inside and out. Absolutely love her to pieces. Yeah, I think she could do really bloody well with these resin pieces, because they are just incredible. They are just, yeah, look at it. Look at it. I'm way too excited about this. I can't wait to get this up on my wall. I absolutely love everything she sent me. She's spoilt me rotten. She has got some amazing new items up on her website, guys. Like, seriously, please go and check out her store. Her prices are really affordable. They're all really nice products. She's got a great variety to pick from. Like I said, I think she's got over 300 items up on her Etsy store now. There's a good variety to pick from. You guys will feel spoilt for choice. So please make sure you go and show her some love and go check out her store. Treat yourself to some new pretty things. But anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed the video. Massive thank you to April again. I will leave all of her details in the description box if you'd like to check out her store. Also, she is on Instagram and Facebook, and also on YouTube now. She also has a YouTube channel. I need to do some mass catching up on YouTube myself. I've been so busy. I've literally been really struggling to find the time to do anything lately, but I'm going to catch up on some of you girls' videos as soon as I get the opportunity anyway. I have now decided I'm going to start uploading every Tuesday and Friday at 6 PM UK time, just to have a bit more of a schedule so you guys know when to expect a video from me, and just sort of help me keep on top because I'm really busy. Hopefully things will calm down in the long run and you guys will see why anyway. But yeah, I'm going to start uploading every Tuesday and Friday anyway. But let's stop waffling as always. Anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a fantastic day, or have had a fantastic day. And yeah, much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!